Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's my time to do a unbox a brand new Belkin USB-C. And so without further ado, let's get started. So this is the USB-A to the USB Type-C. Supports on the Samsung, LG and so on. Also it supports for the phone with USB-C. Not only the phone, you can connect it to the any other type of with support Type-C. That's very fantastic. Also this is the original Belkin, very quality box. So some information in the back, you can read it. This is the black color, as you can see here. Very nice. So let's open it. Can't wait to see what's inside. Wow, nothing else inside. So this is the USB cable, maybe a manual book. It's a Chinese language, never mind. So here's the cable, as you can see how heavy it is. This is 1.8 meters, 6 feet. Wow, how quality it is. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new Belkin USB Type-C in the comment below. And so this is all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.